कि मुस्कुराहट किसी का दर्द.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you how you can create this trending video using your Instagram application. So without wasting any more time, let's get start this tutorial. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. This video will create in on your Instagram application only. So go to the plus option, you will get your story option. Click to it and go to the plus option and click to story option, and here you will get your all effects. So scroll it like this. So here you will get this search option, so click it, and right side you also get this search option, so click it, and here you have to search one effect name. The effect name is GTCH. The effect name is this. You can see these effect names, and first of all you need to save this effect. So first of all you have to save and go to the home page of Instagram, and you have to go to the story option, and you have to choose any one photos that you have to add in your Instagram videos and all. So here you will get this effect option, and here you will get your saved effect that you have saved. That effect you will get here, and you have to go to the sticker option, and here you will get music option. So you can add anything, any music that you like to add in your videos. So like this you can add this music also, and you have to share this video in your story and reels. How you can share your reels? First of all you need to save your this video, and you have to share it on Instagram. So like this you can create this trending video. If you like this tutorial, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.